Hey guys, thanks for stopping by again to see our fashion hacks. Hope you find this week's video helpful. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. The first tip is a simple and useful trick to find the perfect fit for your jeans. All you need is a set of instant fit buttons that you can simply clip on and off. Find a spot around the waistline, clip a button through, and close it with a cap on the back. And voila! This will only take 3 seconds for you to find the best fit. After eating a heavy meal, you can simply remove the clip to loosen. So this will be your must-try daily fashion hack. The next hack is a great tip to style an extra length of belt. First, place the tip of the extra belt under the belt and pull it up. Then bring the end of the belt through the small space and make a stylish knot around your waist. This hack will work best with belts that have decorations at the end of the belt. The next hack is a super easy trick to fix the waist length instantly at no cost. All you need is a shoelace and 2 safety pins. First, flip the dress or romper inside out. Clip a pin vertically on the slim of the waist, one on each side. Put the shoelace through the pins and tie it around your back. Flip again, and yay! It looks hard, but it's not. I am sure a lot of you guys find it hard to wear a bracelet using one hand. If so, pay close attention. Grab a hairpin or a clip that can hold your bracelet. Clip a pin onto the chain. Wrap the bracelet around the wrist while holding the pin with the other hand. Hook the bracelet and unclip the pin. So easy, right? We have another useful tip for you when it comes to wearing a back zipper dress. Get another shoelace and tie it on a safety pin. Now hook the pin to the back zipper. Pull the shoelace up. Unclip the pin and you are all set. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you again next week. Have a wonderful day and stay safe. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We really appreciate it.